Hi guys, it's Friendly Advice. Today we are going to make Holi colors at home. So happy Holi. So I got some ingredients here, very easily available in your kitchen. So I'm going to use some haldi, some food colorings. I have a green and a red one, which my kids have they have given it to me so I can use it. And you have always some cornstarch in the house. So I'm gonna make 3 colors. So I got my 3 bowls and I'm gonna get my kids to help me out with mixing, okay? So I'm not gonna make a lot of color, I'm gonna make a little bit of color. So I'm gonna use 2 spoons each of this color. So starch. So I'm just getting 2 spoons of the starch. I don't need more because, you know.
So to make the color, first I'm going to start with adding 2 spoons of starch into my bowls. So my steel bowls have 2 spoons of starch. And I'm going to get help from my child here. So she is going to add some. Oh my God, we got this red color. So like you just use the food coloring and we're gonna use only like 2 drops, will be more than enough. So here we go. I'm gonna add the red one, 2 drops. So 1 and 2, that's more than enough. And then I'm gonna add little bit of water. Not too much, okay? Very little water. And I'm gonna get my helper to help me mix it. So my helper will mix while I do the next one. So the next one, I have this green food coloring. While my helper is helping me out, I am going to add this green color into the food coloring. And my helper just told me we might need a little bit more food coloring, so that's okay. If you think the color is not as bright as you like, so this is the green color. So I'm going to mix it up. And you know, we might need to add a little bit more water. Not too much. Don't add too much at once, okay? So you want to keep it nice and powdery. That's the whole idea. So we're gonna make it very powdery, so very little water. And we might need to add a little bit more food coloring because it all depends on how strong the color is. So you can just keep on adding a couple of drops. I would say 4 drops should be fine for 2 drops of cornstarch. But we want to make nice because Holi is all about colors. And the reason we celebrate Holi is change in spring coming. So we are getting a lot of spring and nice weather after the long winter. So that's why we celebrate Holi. And here, if colors are not readily available, so you can make this at home and enjoy some festival of Holi at home with your family by making these bright colors. Yes, very nice. Very nice. So we make this bright color. We just keep on mixing. We keep on mixing, and it's okay. We just keep on mixing, and it will all work out. What we'll do is mix it, and then we're gonna put it for drying. Okay. So my helper has made this red color. It's pink actually. So I'm gonna leave it overnight and it's gonna dry nicely and we're gonna see the powder in the morning, okay? So that's first color done. Now the third bowl, we are gonna use haldi, which is like turmeric. I'm gonna make that into turmeric color. So I just add 2 teaspoons, mix it up like this. And I am going to add some water. So we get a nice bright yellow color. Oh my God, this is amazing. This is amazing yellow color. We are going to the turmeric ones. Oh my god, that one really was very fast. So I have to leave more turmeric, a little bit more water, and we are going to do this. Okay, so we got the third color, which is the turmeric. So all these are natural, no chemicals, made by you for your family. So everybody can have nice facial after this Holi. They'll all look beautiful and bright. Oh my god, this is the best one. I love it. Look at this yellow color from the turmeric. Look. Oh my god. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So we're gonna have nice Holi colors. And I'm gonna just leave it overnight and it's gonna dry nicely. So that's my, so we got our pink, we got our yellow, and let's see how the green came out. Okay, the green is actually a little bluish green, which is fine. It's very nice, not a problem. So here you go. That's the third one. Very powdery. Just leave it for a couple of hours, and then you just mix it again and it'll become nice color, or you can even use your grinder if you wanted to, but it should be fine. So we got our 3 colors. Okay, so thank you for watching, and hope you try this trick at home and you can make colors for your Holi. So overnight of drying, you can see how the colors are coming out. Now I'm going to show you the pink one, for example. See how it is a bit dried up. Now all you have to do is with your spoon, back of the spoon, you just have to, sorry, it's falling out because I'm doing. So you get these chunks, so you gotta go like this, and it's a color. It becomes a color. So you can always use your hands if you like, and look how beautiful this color is, okay? So it's all ready to be used for Holi. So use this trick to make your own colors at home if you can't buy them, or if you want to make natural colors. So here we go, it's all ready. So thank you for watching, and a happy Holi to your family, and have lots of fun, eat lots of good food, and enjoy your Holi. Thank you, bye bye. Please do share my videos with your family and friends.